Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the exact spot and the sticker. Clean and dry the skin thoroughly so the adhesive bonds. Once done, remove any oils with alcohol. You should trim the sticker outline if needed to fit the area, then peel the backing just enough to position the edge. Press the aligned edge onto skin and smooth outward. Make sure to eliminate air bubbles with firm, even pressure so the design transfers cleanly and stays put. Once the sticker is in place, secure the transfer by smoothing from the center outward. This ensures full contact. You can activate many Mehndi stickers with a gentle damp cloth or brief heat. Follow the product note and test the method on a corner. After lifting the carrier film slowly, inspect the lines. If parts are faint, you can carefully darken them with a fine-tip liquid eyeliner or apply a tiny amount of henna powder and seal again, because reinforcement deepens color and longevity. You finish by protecting the transferred design. Apply a clear setting spray or a very light oil layer to lock pigments and reduce flaking. Make sure to avoid rubbing and keep the area dry for 6 to 12 hours to let the color set fully. If edges lift or parts peel, press them back down and reapply slight heat or a dab of skin-safe adhesive. Alternatively, retouch thin sections with a matching pen, because timely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.